Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are reviewing StudyFetch, an AI-powered learning platform designed to help you study smarter and faster. In this quick review, we'll break down its core features, the pros and cons, pricing, and ultimately tell you if it's worth your time. StudyFetch is built to turn your course materials into interactive study tools instantly. By uploading your PDFs, PowerPoints, Google Docs, or even YouTube links, the platform's AI automatically generates flashcards, personalized quizzes, and detailed notes. It features a 24/7 AI tutor that can answer your specific questions, review your essays, and explain complex concepts in simple terms. Another major standout is the live lecture note taker. This feature transcribes your real-world classes in real time and turns those audio recordings directly into study guides. But the platform isn't without its flaws. While there is a free tier available, the features are quite limited. On the downside, some users have reported occasional glitches in the mobile app, such as disappearing notes or minor bugs with the audio recap features. Additionally, the AI can sometimes struggle with highly technical subjects, like advanced math or physics, requiring you to manually guide it or double-check its answers. It is a powerful assistant, but you shouldn't rely on it entirely to do the learning for you. Let's talk about pricing. StudyFetch Premium is offered at $8 per month, if billed annually at $96. If you prefer a month-to-month plan, it costs $19 per month. Both premium plans unlock unlimited AI chat, unlimited study set uploads, practice tests, and the live lecture assistant. So is it worth it? Overall, StudyFetch is an excellent tool for students who want to organize their materials and save hours of time creating flashcards and practice tests. Despite a few minor limitations, it's a highly valuable companion for boosting your study productivity. If this ClearTask review helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more direct, no-nonsense tech and productivity reviews, stay focused and see you in the next one.